It used to be, this is probably a real person, and now it's, this is probably fake. Generic content just doesn't underperform anymore. It reads as machine made, even when you wrote it yourself. And that's the death certificate. Now here's what's replacing it. Last week, I ran a full research sweep on my own niche, every breakout post across the top accounts. The tactical posts, the how-tos, the tip carousels topped out between 20 and 140,000 views. It's decent. And then the story posts, personal experiences, opinions, transformations, 6 to 8 million views each. Same niche, same week, same platforms. That's roughly 100 times the reach. And not because the tactical posts were bad, but because they're replaceable. I don't need to go to Instagram for tactical posts. I don't need to. I can get it in my pocket with ChatGPT, with Claude, with Gemini, with whatever. And here's why this is actually the best news a small creator has gotten in years. Think about what AI can and can't flood. It cannot flood the time you lost 2 years posting daily with nothing to show for it. It can't. It can't flood what you believe that your niche thinks is wrong. The exact thing that's dying is the thing that big channels industrialized. Let's talk about the replacement strategy. Number 1, opinion and analysis, not how to do X. Here's what everyone gets wrong about X and Y. No, take the stance. The stance is the moat. Number 2, experience and story. I did the thing. Here's what actually happened. Wins, failures, the weird middle. Receipts beat advice 100 to 1, literally. Number 3, results breakdown. Yours, your students, your friends, your family, your whatever, walk through a real outcome with real numbers. It's the only format AI structurally cannot fake because it requires something to have actually happened. And the litmus test before you can make anything, paste your video title into ChatGPT. If it can write your script, don't make that video. If it can't, because the video needs your life in it, that's the one that you can make.